Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to the world of physics. Today our topic is combination of capacitors. What are combination of capacitors? The capacitors can be connected either in series or parallel, and we want to find out an equivalent capacitance that has the same capacitance as that of the combination of capacitors. So at the end we will find out C equivalent. C equivalent means equivalent capacitance. In all these topics can be studied comparatively. Like on one side we will find out series combination, whereas on second side we will find out parallel combination, and we will make the diagrams also. First of all, we take series combination. When the capacitors are connected plate to plate, that is, right plate of one capacitor is connected to the left plate of second capacitor, this combination is called series combination. For example, first capacitor, second capacitor and third capacitor, all these three are connected back to back like this. In this way, this is the source of potential which is applied over here. Like this is positive terminal of the battery. Large line always shows positive terminal of the battery and small line always shows negative terminal of the battery. This is capacitor 1, C1. This the second plate is called C2 and third is C3. So this is C1, this can be C2, this can be C3. This point is point A, this point is point B. Potential applied by the battery is V. In this way, we have connected three capacitors C1, C2, C3 in series with each other. If the left hand side of this capacitor is having positive charge, obviously right hand side will get negative charge like this. All the positive charges will reside on this side, all the negative charges will reside on this side. On the second capacitor again, positive charges will reside on this side and the negative charges will reside on this side. On the third plate again, positive charges will reside on this side and the negative charges will reside on this side of the plate. So this combination is called series combination of capacitors. Come on its terminology. What will be the charge distribution? What will be potential difference distribution in this case? Now, if a battery of voltage V is connected between these two plates A, between the 2 points A and B, in which three capacitors are connected in series, then it supplies plus Q charge on one side and minus Q charge on the second side of all the plates. So the charges on all the plates will be same. Charges on the plates will be same. So we can say that Q is equal to Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q3. There is no difference between the charges on the plates. But the potential difference will be equal to V equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. And we will use over here equation of capacitor, that is Q equals to CV. If Q equals to CV, definitely V equals to Q divided by C. By using this equation, V equals to Q over C, in this one we can get the value of all these potentials. This potential is equal to Q over C. This potential V1 is equal to Q over C1. This potential V2 is equal to Q over C2. And this potential V3 is equal to Q over C3. We have not used Q1, Q2 and Q3 because in the beginning we have written that Q is equal to Q1, Q1 is equal to Q2 and Q2 equals to Q3. But the values of potentials and the values of capacitance will be different. So we have used V1, V2 and V3. So as Q over C equals to Q over C1 plus Q over C2 plus Q over C3, you know all the Q's are same on both the sides. So Q can be taken as common and then by dividing Q it can be cancelled. So all Q's will be cancelled. We can take Q over C is equal to only Q, which can be taken as common, and then we get 1 over C1 plus 1 over C2 plus 1 over C3. If I divide by Q on both sides, dividing by Q, Q will be cancelled on both sides. And what about equivalent capacitance? 1 over C. Equivalent is equal to 1 over C1 plus 1 over C2 plus 1 over C3. This is equivalent capacitance of the capacitor, like this. This is for series combination, in which equivalent capacitance or 1 over C equivalent is equal to 1 over C1 plus 1 over C2 plus 1 over C3. Now we are going to find out values of parallel combination. In the parallel combination, equation is somewhat different. Like say this a point A and this is a point B. In between these 2 points, we have to connect 3 capacitors in such a way that this is capacitor 1. Now this is capacitor 2 and this is capacitor 3. In this way, 3 capacitors are attached between 2 points, 2 same points. Now these 2 points are connected with the terminals of a battery having a voltage source V. These are the 2 terminals of battery. This one is negative, this one is positive, this one is negative. If this terminal of battery is positive, obviously all these plates of capacitors will get positive charge due to positive terminal. This one will be positive, this one will be positive, and this third plate will also get positive charge on left side. Whereas if this terminal is negative, all the right hand side plates will get negative charge, like this one, and this one. In this way, all the plates on the left hand side will get positive charge and all the plates on right hand side will get negative charge. This is point A and this is point B. As all these 3 plates having capacitance C1, C2 and C3, they are connected in a parallel combination. That's why the potential difference on all the plates will be same. So V is equal to V1, V1 is equal to V2, V2 is equal to V3. All the 3 plates will get same potential. If all the plates will get same potential, then the charges will on all the plates will be different from each other, and the total charge Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Again, like previous case where we have used equation of capacitor that Q is equal to CV, we will use the same equation again. So this Q equals to CV, this Q1 equals to C over C into V1, C1 into V. This Q2 is equal to C2 into V, and this Q3 will be equals to C3 into V. I have not used values of V1, V2 and V3 because in the beginning I have written that potential difference is equal to V1, V1 is equal to V2, V2 is equal to V3, because all the 3 plates are connected between the 2 points at the same potential. Now CV equals to C1V plus C2V plus C3V. By taking V as common, CV equals to V is taken common, so V will be here and C will be inside the bracket. C1 plus C2 plus C3. By dividing V on both sides, V will be cancelled. This will be cancelled, this will be cancelled, and the equivalent capacitance C equivalent is now equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. This is the end result of equivalent capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. We can take a comparison of these 2 combinations. In series combination, equivalent capacitance is equal to 1 over C1 plus 1 over C2 plus 1 over C3, whereas in parallel combination, equivalent capacitance is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So by comparing these two equations, we can say that the equivalent capacitance in series combination is always less than the individual capacitances, whereas in parallel combination the equivalent capacitance is always larger than individual capacitances. Again I repeat this line. The equivalent capacitance in series combination is always less than individual capacitances, whereas in parallel combination equivalent capacitance is always larger than individual capacitances. Thank you very much, students.